Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I'll show you how to access the boot mode. So to get started, we'll need to power off the device by holding the power key. And once it's off, you want to then hold power key and volume down. So both of the keys at the same time. And we're now in the boot mode. So in here you'll use volume keys to navigate, as you can see with the arrows right here. And here is the selection that you will be picking. So you have a couple options. You have the bootloader logs, switch consoles, barcodes, start, which just goes back to Android, restart bootloader goes back here for a reason, recovery mode, which will allow you from there to reset the device and do a couple other things, and simply power off the device. And then you have factory mode and some tools, and yeah, and we're back basically again. So whatever you pick, whenever it's selected, you want to confirm it with the power key. So right now it's start, so I'll go back to Android and leave this mode. So let's just press power key, and there we go. And you can see that we're back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.